Hello, and welcome to a new episode of 0 to 100, a show that moves from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers. We're gonna spend together an hour or so listening to great records. Welcome everyone live in the chat. There is a live chat. Feel free to interact with us. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat, and meet other music lovers while we spend some time together discovering new grooves. Today is a jam-packed episode with a lot of new records. Also some not that new gems, I would say, but definitely jam-packed. So, a quick look at the chat to see who is joining us live today. Welcome everyone. Feel free to interact in whatever language you prefer, obviously. Great. Fantastic. It's been an incredibly busy month here at XYZ. We are live streaming from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Behind me there's Mia, one of our music cats. Somewhere around there's the other one, Zelda. You'll see them popping around during the episode. So, this has been, as I was saying, an incredibly intense month, rich of initiatives and projects. And also of encounters. I had the pleasure of meeting some DJs that I haven't seen in a while, like back from the 90s, and a lot of stories. But for those of you who are interested in these stories, feel free to follow us on our social channels, on Instagram, on TikTok, and Facebook, always at ModeZeroOfficial. Now, as you know, or if this is the first time you tune in, we start every episode of 0 to 100 with a very mellow record. And today, I finally have the pleasure to share with you an unbelievable record. I was so happy when I received it. As soon as it was available, I immediately ordered a copy, and I'm psyched about it. This is an incredible project, full of, I would say, it radiates pure energy, pure groove and positivity. The title is Beautiful Souls by Valterino. And the Dukes, released on Harmonica Records. This record blends soul, funk, and disco energy in a modern, feel-good sound, I would say, that reminds us of how we fell in love and why we fell in love with music. Every track celebrates a connection, friends, love, and the simple joy of dancing all night long, I guess. So let me turn it up and let's dive into this one. Streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
Laughter treasures we always take. Sunrise born, they never break. With every dawn, a new day we make friends. The treasures we always take. Sunrise bonds, a new day we make.
Valterino, Beautiful Souls, what an amazing project. I met Valterino a couple of months back and we were talking about like soulful music and some of the projects he was working on, but I had no idea he had this in the works. So it's an amazing record. Tons of beautiful tracks I can't get tired of listening to, and we have been spinning this on rotation here at XYZ, you know, almost every day, I would say. Valterino, well done. What a wonderful release. So, welcome everyone to another episode of 0 to 100. Today we have a mixed episode, as not all the records that we're going to share are new. The next record, it's actually was released on 2022 by Omar X. By Omar S on FXHE, his label, and I played this record a couple of times during my sets in the recent months, and yeah, it didn't leave my bag ever since. So we are talking about Can't Explain, Omar X. This record features the soulful vocals of Troy Alexis, a young Detroit songs writer. Omar discovered singing an a cappella at a party in Conegliano in Detroit. Her voice is stunning and Omar definitely knew how to capture it. So let's listen to one of the tracks together. There is also a softer version on the other side, almost an a cappella, I would say. I use it as an intro or to play around in my set, but also this one is packed of energy. So enjoy it, streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy.
I'm giving it all away, I'm compromised. When you give me them side eyes, doing my best to keep it all inside, but I know you know I can't hide it. Give it up, baby, don't be shy. Only gets harder the more you deny it. So just cross the line. I can't explain it, but I have a feeling if I could, then you could name it. Maybe we are not the same, but I bet we're adjacent. Yeah, something about your body, something in the way you sway it. Yeah, Yeah, you might be my favorite. We in the same boat, and I'm gon' rock you while I'm driving, baby. You breathing slow, the way I'm moving, it's hypnotic, baby. Know I struck gold when you see stars behind your eyelids, baby. You got it, baby. You got it, baby. I'm giving it all away, I'm compromised. When you give me them siren eyes, doing my best to keep it all inside, but I know you know I can't hide it. Give it up, baby, don't be shy. It only gets hard the more you deny it. So just cross the line. Yes, we've been cruising, but let's kick it into overdrive. I'm not the one to say no when I see the stars align. You tell me not to play, but how could I not fuck with fire? I'll show you how to let go, just give in to your desire. Whoa.
The beauty, the minimal beauty, the raw power of Omar S. Productions. I can't get tired of spinning these records. Every time I can get my hands on one of them, yeah, fantastic, fantastic release. Detroit 2022. Omar S. and Troy Alexis, what a gem. If you're lucky enough, I think you might be able to still find maybe some copies of this 45. It's a secret bomb to have it in your record bags. How are you? How are you? Connecting live. Let's see who is in the chat. Welcome everyone. Lovely to have you part of the show tonight. I want to take a minute to actually talk about an interesting number, I would say. I was checking on the stats of our subscribers, the YouTube subscribers, and I've noticed that the last month, well, the majority of you haven't subscribed yet to the channel. You stop by, you enjoy it, but yeah, if you love the vibe, click on the like button, tap on the subscribe button, and stay tuned. Every month we dedicate some time to give back to the community and share with you some rare gems, some music that you probably won't hear anywhere else. Records that are landing here at our XYZ Creative Center, records that we play in our sets, and also some gems that come from our community in Northeast Italy, near Conegliano, in beautiful Venice region. Every month we have the opportunity to connect with other creative people around the world, so feel free to stay tuned on what we do over here, and we would definitely love to hear what you are up to. So don't be shy, get in touch. Okay, so we have another amazing record tonight. As you know, we move from mellow vibes to peak hour bangers every single episode, and we start now to increase a little bit the energy in our show. And the next record is a record that you already well, let's say it's an artist that you already love, because last month we shared another one of these two records, actually, of this release. I'm talking about Jonathan Kaspar. You heard the half of the project last month. You really enjoyed it, so we are bringing you tonight the other record that was released. I'm talking about a production that was released on Cocoon Recordings, a 12 split. He is actually third released on the label. True to his style, Jonathan blends emotional techno with subtle trance influences. It's truly unique, the feeling you get when you play these records. And it crafts like deep hypnotic journeys driven by rhythm and atmosphere. These are records I can't get tired of playing. I play them in my set. The effect on the audience has been truly magnetic, and so I can't wait to share this one with you. Each track on this record is rich with energy and melodic vibrations. The project really showcases Jonathan's refined, forward-thinking sound. So this is it. Jonathan Kaspar, twofold on Cocoon Recordings. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Jonathan Kaspar on Cocoon Recordings, twofold, the two releases, Ignite and Fade. What a wonderful release. Incredible record, truly hypnotic. You can really feel, the creative energy of Jonathan coming through these records. You loved it last month when we shared the other record in this amazing release, and well, we were happy to share with you this second part. Enjoy. Welcome. This is a fantastic episode. We have some amazing records to share with you. Let me just take a minute to thank, well, Flusso Music. Flusso Music is a project that is dedicated to supporting underground creative musical ideas, and is founded by me and Matteo Salviato, based here in Northeast Italy. We are given a platform essentially for artists to deep dive and explore, pushing the needle in direction where they wouldn't probably normally throw themselves into it. We really try to stimulate what new creative musical directions we can explore. You can visit flussomusic.com. You can sign up for our newsletter if you want to stay tuned on the upcoming projects and upcoming releases. That's flussomusic.com, dedicated to supporting underground music. Check it out. Wonderful. Okay, so the next record that we are going to share today actually is almost, I would say, a white label. It comes from Truncate, and the title is Passive Aggressive on Truncate Limited 001. So let me show you the record that is spinning on the turntable. As you can see, it's like a hand printed. It's a very interesting release. It has 4 tracks I can't get tired of playing, and yeah, it comes from the legend Truncate. It's something that truly makes you feel the sound signature, I would say, that Truncate put into his records. A lot of crazy rhythms and precise tweak actions that make this record an instant classic, I would say. I played it in multiple sets, and there are different versions that make it versatile. You can keep it in your record bag, whether you are opening or you are playing at peak time. There's always one of the versions that you that you can play. I really enjoy it. This is a unique release. I searched for it, I finally managed to get a copy, and I'm very happy to share it with you. So this is Passive Aggressive, Truncate Limited 001. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Stay tuned and enjoy. What a wonderful release. I definitely think this record is not going to leave my record bag anytime soon. Turnkey Limited 001 Secret Weapon. Feel free to discover more about this track. It's a fantastic mix of incredibly hypnotic rhythms, incredibly versatile record. Enjoy it. Do not miss. Stay tuned on this series of productions. Okay, so 0 to 100, we are definitely warming up, and we passed the point where we got enough energy to move up on our episode, moving slowly to pick our bangers. The next record we have on, it's a record that I've been waiting for quite a while, I would say, and I wasn't really sure about it. I wasn't really sure about what to expect, I would say, from it until I got my hands on it. I'm talking about the new release by Paul Kalkbrenner, the Essence LP. We got the cover here. It's an amazing release. It's a double record, and this is a collection that feels like an archive, I would say, of personal moments and emotion. I really enjoyed it. It was written over several years of work between studio session and an apartment in Berlin. I believe it's his apartment. And the record really carries a distinctive atmosphere, I would say. It's intimate, it's timeless, and it's unmistakably PK. It really comes through, his character really comes through, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm not gonna spoil it. Let's dive into this new release by Paul Kalkbrenner. This is the Essence LP. Enjoy. We're streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. PK, Paul Kalkbrenner, The Essence LP. What a fantastic release. Listening to this record actually made me think almost automatically about another good record that I had the opportunity to listen to recently. And I am talking about a remix from Alberto Braido, also known as Nuevo. I'm talking about White Track's Mystery Land, the remix that Alberto made, the Nuevo remix. Alberto shared with me this track, and I've been listening to it, and it has a very unique characteristic. It is a 90s track. It has a Balearic trance inspired DNA, I would say, and it's definitely a smooth experience. It's built around the core guitar and piano samples of the original track, yet Alberto created a new drum kit to offer us this musical experience, and I actually really enjoyed it. It's a new, soft, progressive track that plays very well with the track we just listened to. So this is White Track Mystery Land Nuevo Remix. Enjoy, streaming live from XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Another great production from Nuevo, Alberto Braido. This guy is like incredibly active, I would say. Nuevo is a project by Alberto Braido. Alberto is from Vittorio Veneto, a city nearby here in Venice region. Alberto is incredibly focused on releasing consistently new tracks. A lot has to do with his own creative sound design, arrangement experiments. Definitely someone to stay tuned on, and someone we're always happy to share here at XYZ. So well done, Alberto. Thank you for sharing with us this track. Let us guide what you think about it. I'm going to leave in the chat the link to his YouTube channel where you can discover more about this track and more about Nuevo and his projects. Okay. We are moving on with our 0 to 100 show, moving from mellow vibes to peak our bangers. Let me take a minute to thank you. Thank you for the support you are giving us, not only following our live streams, but also for those of you who are buying these gadgets or these shirts and our line of clothing, bags. We have pretty much the full lineup that you can access over at ModeZero.xyz, our website. There you just need to tap on the merchandise tab and you will have full access to the whole line of products. The revenue we get from the sales of these gadgets and the line of clothing, we give it and devolve it to cancer research here in Italy every year to AIRC. So you not only you're powering your days, your hobbies, your everyday life with great, good quality merchandise, but you're also helping a good cause. We know music goes a long way, and we know how music is making the difference in the life of many that are connected, I would say, remotely to what we do. So thank you for your support, and stay tuned because more products are coming on our store. ModeZero.xyz, tap on the merchandise tab, get yourself some gadgets, get yourself some shirts, and thank you for supporting a good cause. Now, we are almost at the end of our show, and we have two records that I want to share with you. Up next, we have a bomb. We have Steve Bicknell, and this is a very interesting record. The title is When Things of the Spirit Come First, from Lost Recordings 3, remastered by Peter Van Ozen at the Memento Mastering, with a reimagined artwork. Originally, this record was released in 1997 on Lost Recordings, a label born from the legendary London event series The Lost. And Steve's track pushed the boundaries of techno and still inspire producers today. So this is the first release from his past production and his SB production imprint. Let's deep dive into one of the tracks together. This is an unbelievable release we can't get tired of playing, and we want to share with you tonight. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy, spending an hour moving from mellow vibes to pick our bangers. Wonderful. So this brings us to the end of today's show. We have one last record to share with you, the peak hour banger of today's episode, and we're gonna play it in just about a minute. If you enjoyed the show, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you haven't yet, drop us a like and leave us your thoughts in the comments. Any question and requests or any feedback that you have, we are happy to hear from you. We stream live every month from the XYZ Creative Center here in Conegliano, Italy. We are bringing you gems that you probably won't hear anywhere else, bringing to light projects from the underground world that you may not enjoy or listen anywhere else. So we really sincerely hope you enjoyed today's episode. We are wrapping up today's episode with a wonderful, wonderful vinyl gem. I'm talking about the 40th release of Clock Wars. Clock Wars 40. Up next, we are diving into the magical world of the Spanish duo Ribe and Roldan. After their strong debut on Bang Clocks label in 2023, they are back with 4 tracks of pure driving techno, the kind of sound built for, I would say, dark rooms or big festival stages. I really enjoyed this record. I played it in my sets. I played it at different times throughout the day, and the response has been always the same. Awesome. So here it comes. We are streaming live from the XYZ Creative Center in beautiful Conegliano, Italy. Enjoy it and stay tuned.